Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 transporter in the short wheelbase. This van comes into stock with only delivery miles on the vehicle and features the Highline trim model. The van features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 brake horsepower, and also comes equipped with a DSG 7-speed automatic gearbox. This van comes with a camper spec set in mind, and across the front of the vehicle is a set of front parking sensors, complete with front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the very stylish 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a multi-spoke design. A rear view camera located just above the rear number plate, along with the rear parking sensors in the rear bumper, help you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The van comes fitted with a tailgate with a window, behind which is a factory fresh load area. Taking a look now from the single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle. The van comes with swivelling seats from factory, both with 2 armrests apiece, with a perfect camper design build in mind. There is also a step built into the side, allowing for easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the cab, with the seats turned the right way for the driving, they're both finished in the bricks woven fabric, plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver, along with some creature comforts such as a 12-volt outlet and 2 USB-C ones. The van comes fitted with a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system, complete with App Connect, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This vehicle comes with a minimum 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.